The 2026 Mercedes camper van showcases a fusion of luxury, innovation, and utility tailored for modern adventurers. With an emphasis on comfort, the new model delivers a refined mobile living experience without compromising the robust performance expected from a Mercedes vehicle. Every element of the design, from exterior aerodynamics to the interior furnishings, reflects the brand's commitment to high-end craftsmanship. Under the hood, the camper van is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel engine mated with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The engine delivers smooth torque, ensuring that uphill climbs and highway cruising are equally effortless. It's a balanced blend of fuel efficiency and power, optimized for long road trips and extended off-grid stays. The 2026 model includes an optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, significantly improving handling on various terrains. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or sandy coastal paths, the Mercedes camper van maintains stability and traction. The suspension system has also been fine-tuned to absorb rough patches, offering a smoother ride for both driver and passengers. Inside, the cabin is where the Mercedes truly shines. High-quality materials, including real wood accents and leather upholstery, create a luxurious environment. Ambient lighting and large panoramic windows enhance the spacious feel, letting in natural light while maintaining privacy with integrated blinds and tinted glass. The living area is intelligently designed with multifunctional furniture that maximizes utility. A foldable table, swiveling captain's chairs, and a sofa bed create a flexible space for both day and night use. The dining and relaxation zone transforms seamlessly into a sleeping area that can comfortably accommodate two adults and a child. The kitchen setup is compact yet fully functional. It features a dual-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with a retractable faucet, and a 75-liter refrigerator with a freezer compartment. Ample cabinetry provides storage for utensils, cookware, and non-perishables, allowing for self-sufficient journeys without frequent restocking. A full wet bath is included, complete with a cassette toilet, a hot water shower, and a compact sink. Ventilation is handled via a roof fan and a moisture-resistant lining that prevents mold buildup. This private bathroom setup is a key feature for travelers who prefer off-grid adventures. Climate control is handled by a dual-zone system with heating and air conditioning powered through both shore power and a lithium-ion battery setup. The battery is solar-charged via roof-mounted panels, giving users independence from electrical hookups for several days depending on energy consumption. Infotainment and connectivity are also front and center. The cockpit is equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is GPS-powered with real-time traffic updates. Rear passengers benefit from a secondary control panel for lighting, entertainment, and climate settings. Safety is robust, with features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, crosswind assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make driving the relatively large camper van feel manageable even in urban environments. Mercedes has integrated semi-autonomous driving capabilities to reduce fatigue during long drives. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout the van. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and a rear garage-style space provide ample room for gear, tools, and luggage. There's also an exterior bike rack and optional roof storage for those carrying larger items or outdoor equipment. Customization is a big draw for the 2026 model. Buyers can select from a range of floor plans, materials, color schemes, and tech packages. Whether the user prioritizes tech features, off-grid capabilities, or luxury finishes, Mercedes offers multiple configurations to meet specific needs. The driving experience is noticeably smooth and refined. The elevated driver position provides excellent visibility, and the ergonomic layout of controls ensures everything is within easy reach. Driving this camper van feels more like piloting a premium SUV than a bulky recreational vehicle. Sound insulation is another strong point. Road noise is minimal even at highway speeds, and the quiet operation of the engine contributes to a calm and peaceful atmosphere inside. This attention to acoustic comfort enhances both driving and camping experiences. Fuel efficiency stands at an average of 25 mpg for the diesel model, which is impressive considering the size and amenities onboard. With a 22-gallon fuel tank, range anxiety becomes less of a concern, allowing for longer journeys without constant refueling stops. In terms of after-sales support, Mercedes offers a comprehensive warranty package including roadside assistance and maintenance for up to 3 years. The brand's extensive dealer network also makes servicing and parts replacement more convenient compared to niche RV manufacturers. User feedback from early adopters highlights satisfaction with the build quality, ease of operation, and livability. Many praise the intuitive controls, spacious interior layout, and stylish aesthetics. Some mention the initial purchase cost as steep, but ultimately justified by the premium features and long-term reliability. While the 2026 Mercedes camper van is not an entry-level option, it stands out as a flagship choice for those seeking a balance of performance, luxury, and freedom on the road. It's ideal for retirees, digital nomads, and families alike who are willing to invest in a truly elevated travel experience. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes camper van exemplifies what a modern motorhome can be. With unmatched attention to detail, top-tier engineering, and a flexible, functional design, it represents one of the most compelling options in the luxury camper segment today.